Hello, welcome to Aquatic Culture.org. As you can see on my screen, this is the URL Aquatic Culture.org. And this is the websites. Before just going into the detail of these websites, I would like to give you some of the brief introductions of our company. We're a consultancy for farming aquatic animals and plants. We're a part of private limited company registered in India, and we are helping people who are involved in aquatic animals and plant culture. So what are the services we offer as a company, and that will surely help if you are involved in farming aquatic animals or plants. So let's dig deep into this website and try to find out how you can get the benefit from our websites. So when you go to the link aquaticculture.org, hit enter, you will be on this home page. So I'm on home page now. So this, as you can see, this is just a biofloc tank setup picture, and you have different videos, so you can play those videos. You can click on the videos, it should play like this. The videos will be running from YouTube, right? So there'll be several different videos. So this is the knob you can hover through, and you have different images, and these are from our customers. So these are different images, some contact informations. This black button, if you press this, it will take you to the up again. Just before that, you can see in the footer section that you have file, account, payment, transaction, blog, and feedback, everything in the footer section. For now, I'm just going back to the header section. So just click on that, it will take you to the head. So these are the menus available. We have culture. So for now we are into biofloc culture. So other culture will be updated soon, but for now culture, biofloc culture is available. Hatcheries, we will take you to our fish hatchery, and how do you can book online offline training for biofloc, and I will take you through our shop, online digital shop, where you can book and payment, and you get the material at your doorstep. And then you have very important forum. So all our staff, all our experts involved in different culture, aquatic animals and plant culture, they are available on this forum, and they are very experienced. And I'm sure that if you are part of this forum, you already have had many help from them. Then I will take you to our organization. As I said, that we're a private limited company, and we're helping people since 2014, I think. And then I'll show you the contact, how to contact our team and everything. So now this is this little button that I have for my personal account. I'm just going to log out. So the moment you go to this link, you'll find this way. So you can always go to this, and you can log in. If you log in, you will have several benefits of having logged in our websites. You can use Facebook, Google, or email for login. So this is the login page. I'm just crossing out from the login page. So this is my home page, and I'm just now moving from home to culture. So if I click on biofloc, it will take you to the culture page. So this is some of the snap from our sites. We're having different sites across India and abroad. We're helping people outside of India as well. So this is some of the snap. You can always click this button and to tell us if you want us to set up tank for you. It could be cement tank, it could be tarpaulin or anything. So you just click on that link and just click book, and it will take you to some scheduling page. You need to choose the date and time, and then you can just book, and our team will contact and will go to your place, and we will set the tank on behalf of you. So I'm just moving back to the bioflora page. So now going further down, you can see that this section, the FAQ section, where you can find different questions related to your culture. Before even going to the forum page, you can find answer. You can search your answer here. You can find the answer from FAQ page, right? And this is a small snap of our team, right? So this is all in the culture page, bioflora culture. Moving up again, and now I'm just going to move to fish hatchery. This is our own hatchery in West Bengal, India. So we take orders, and we have boarders, and we have people who are expert in providing sheets, different sheets. You can always give your email, and you can get the updates, regular updates from our team. So on that pop-up, if you would have provided your email ID, you will get a response every time we have updates directly to your email. So as you can see on the video that the several seeds and eggs are available with us. You can always just click on this little black button. So this is the pop-up. You can give your email ID or just go out from this. So now if I click on this button, and it will give you some contact dialog box where you can give your informations, and you can tell us if you need consumable or ornamental fish, and you can write the fish sheet's name and everything, and you can submit, and it will come to us, and we'll respond back to you if you need seeds from different part of India. So delivery is available, so there's no problem. You can tell us if stock is available. You can always get sheet from us. It is recommended that you contact at least 15 days before you need the seed, so that we can arrange delivery and seed and everything. So it is recommended to contact us at least 2 weeks before when you need the seed, right? So this is little descriptions and contact informations. Same. Going up again. Now for the training, it is available in 2 different mode. You can go for offline and offline or online. So if I click on offline, it will take you to the contact page. So you just need to give your informations and contact details. Our team will contact you, and they'll give you the instructions where to come, where our coaching centers are. So all details will be provided to you once you contact for offline training. So now if I just close it, for online training, you can just go to training and click on online. So if you click online training, it will take you to the online training booking page, and you can book your training, and as per your schedule, and the training will be online using Zoom. So the moment you click booking, it will take you to the schedule page. You need to choose the date and time, and the moment you pay us, the amount is given through this link. You need to choose the time and click next. You need to give all the informations, and the moment you pay us, and one Zoom meeting link will send to you, and on that specific date the online meeting will start, and our expert will be online, and you will have a face-to-face meeting, and your doubts will be cleared, and you will be given date. If you would like to visit one of our plant, you can visit. Or just remember, I mean, it's not a one-day training. It sounds that, you know, something 5 hours training would not make that difference, but we assure that once you go for the training, you will be available to have, you know, we on behalf of you, we will be there all the times to help, you know, till your first harvest. So there'll be many help from our side, no doubt. And obviously, if you go for online training with us, you will get some benefit while you purchase items from our shop. So let's go to the shop. So the moment I click on shop, it will take me to our online shop. So all the equipments you need to start your plant, your fish farming plant, those materials are available with us. Each and every equipment is available. In the left hand side, you can sort the materials according to newest, low to high, high to low, according to name, etc. You can customize. Or in the filter button, you can click on air pump. So these are the air pumps available with us. You can just click and you can add to cart, and you can pay an order, and that item will be sent to your doorstep, right? You can order air blower. We have different air blowers. We deals with transpower air blower, Indian make. So you can order, and we can ship the material at your doorstep, right? So you can go to the next page. You have different options to choose from, right? Air blower. You can order different types of tarpaulins for tank, right? We have huge collections. I mean, you can order and you can get any customized tarpaulin as well. And so these are plain tarpaulin of different sizes, but you can order slope, you know, the bottom slope tarpaulin as well from us. You can order probiotic. We are dealing with EverPro, Fresh Pro probiotic, and Transpower probiotic. So you can order and you can get it at your doorstep. You can order feeds. We deal with Sippy and Unmold, two different brand, and we can ship as well to your doorstep. You can order different test kits. You can go for other accessories as well. So we have different other accessories, right? You can order online and you can get it at doorstep, right? So these are the shops, digital shop, and these are all here to help, and you can get the materials at doorstep, right? Now let's move to forum. This is important. As I said, that once you are associated with us, you'll be getting help all the times from our team. So this is a great place to get help. I mean, you just log in and you can always go to this aquatic culture community, and you will have different questions, and you can just ask questions. You can ask questions or start a discussion. So just click on any of this. You can comment, or if you need information, so you can always comment, or maybe you can ask the questions, or you can post a topic to discuss. So there'll be people who are giving their opinion on that specific topic, and that might help. And at the same time, you have another community. You know, this is something for the research. I mean, this is completely based on the people who are already involved, and they are based on their experience. They are providing sort of informations, and you can get those informations from them. Or as a farmer, you can put your opinion, you can put your experience, and help people's to the great extent. And in this group, you won't be able to find anything unless until you log in. So you need to log in to view informations. But for aquatic culture.org, you don't need to log in. You can find informations without login. But if you want to ask questions, you will have to log in. Right? So this is very handy and important. And as I said, that we're a part of organization registered as private limited in India. So this is something about our organization and our core business. This is something we have different directions, but as a core business, we are doing something else. So this is our mother company, and you can get informations about us, right? So this is our main company. You can find we are mostly into air conditioning design and maintenance services. So this is our prime company. I'm closing for now, and as I said, that you can always contact us through the contact page. You can always contact us for different informations from our team. They will contact you. And definitely, if you this section is dedicated for downloading different files. So if you go to the file share, you'll be able to download different associated files that will help definitely. And account is for something else, so you can just, this is account, so no need to go there for now. And this is for payment transactions, and and you can follow our different blogs. So you can just click blog, and it will take you to our blog page, where you can find different blog posted by our engineers, and that will definitely help. I mean, these are very useful blog. You can click on the blog and you will get the informations. And you can always ask our team to provide some of the informations, detailed informations, if you have some questions, and if you have some deep knowledge request, you can always come and send a request. Our team will provide you the informations. And if you are quite satisfied with us, you can always go to the feedback button, and you can always place your opinion and your suggestions and everything. And you can always give us some star rating mark, and that will be published on Google. So that will be some help for us, definitely. So for now, I mean, we are keep updating our websites. We are helping people. We are having team who are continuously involved themselves in the cultural operations, and they are gathering knowledge, and always we're coming up with new solutions, cost-effective solution, less power consumptions, and all those ideas. And everything will be posted on this websites. So day by day we are keep updating our websites, and we are still helping many people with these arrangements. We are helping people for getting loans from Government of India. We are helping people sending materials from outside of India. Their productions they can send to different countries now, and on many other aspects. So being a man of this team, where we are just requesting you to be part of this great websites, and you will get timely help from us and our expert engineers. And I'm sure that you will succeed if you follow our instructions, and if you keep faith in us, you will succeed with forming aquatic animals and plants, your own plants. So that's all for now, and we will keep update you if there is something new. And yeah, thank you very much for your time.